Adding a physical product is very simple. Click on Add Product and select Physical. Now you can add product title, image for this product, image description, where you can add all sorts of different widgets to it. You can add a price, of course, with a sale price if the product is on sale. You can add stock keeping unit, availability in stock, and weight. You can also add additional information for that product. This is if you want to collect anything like a free text or engraving or anything like that. You can simply add it here, and you can add as many as you want different additional fields. You can also link on a purchase to a special thank you page that you want to have. When somebody purchases that product, click on here and select the link, the page you want to go to after on the thank you page. You can also assign different categories for the product. Click on Edit Categories and select a category that you've already created, or create a new one. When you select a category, you will see that you have the option to create a new subcategory. Simple as that. If you want to organize more further your categories of the store. Lastly, you can create variations for each product. You can click on Add Variation, and automatically you'll see all the different variations that are already created. So, for example, size is already created, and size have big and small as types. So this way you can create as many different variations and their values in them. When you click on Advanced, you'll see that you have the option to add different price for each variation, stock keeping unit, and of course how much is the availability of this product and variation. You can also create the product as hidden, so it won't be seen until you show it for the customers. And you can add an SEO description, obviously with the tracker on the bottom showing the optimal size of your SEO description. Lastly, each product can be cloned. That will help you create similar products very, very easily just by cloning them and changing a few things here and there. So that's how simple it is to create a physical product.